Hello students, let us consider another example. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equals to A comma B, A less than equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So our relation is defined as a set of ordered pair where A is less than equal to B square, and we have to show that the relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, as well as not transitive. So to show that the relation is not reflexive, let us consider an ordered pair half comma half does not belong to R, since half is not less than equal to 1 by 2 square, because half cannot be less than equal to 1 by 4, and therefore we say that R is not reflexive. So by taking an ordered pair half comma half which does not belong to R, as half is not less than equal to 1 by 2 square, therefore R is not reflexive. Now to show that R is not symmetric, let us consider an ordered pair minus 1 comma 3 belongs to R, as minus 1 is less than equals to 3 square. Correct, minus 1 is less than equal to 9. Therefore minus 1 comma 3 belongs to R. But 3 comma minus 1 does not belongs to R. But 3 comma minus 1 does not belong to R, since 3 is not less than equal to minus 1 square. 3 is not less than equal to minus 1 square, and therefore R is not symmetric. Okay, by taking an ordered pair minus 1 comma 3 which belongs to R, as minus 1 is less than equals to 3 square, but 3 comma minus 1 does not belong to R, because 3 is not less than equal to minus 1 square, that is minus 3 is not less than equal to 1. Therefore 3 is not less than equal to 1, therefore R is not symmetric. Now to show that R is not transitive, let us consider another example. Consider the ordered pair 2 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 1. 2 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 1 belongs to R, because 2 is less than equals to minus 3 square, that is 9. 2 is less than equal to 9, and minus 3 is less than equal to 1 square, that is minus 3 less than equal to 1. So both the ordered pair satisfies the condition, therefore this ordered pair belongs to R. Okay, you can write here, since 2 is less than equals to minus 3 square and minus 3 is less than equal to 2 is less than equal to minus 3 square, and 3 is minus 3 is less than equal to 1 square. But for transitive, we have to show that if the relation is transitive, we have to show that A comma C belongs to R. But here 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R, because 2 is not less than equal to 1 square. Therefore R is not transitive. Okay, and in this way R is not reflexive, R is not transitive, and R is not symmetric.